Yeah, guys. After testing that cheap toy drone, I got hooked on flying and just had to upgrade to a real drone. Today, I have the new DJI Mini 4 Pro in my hands, and we're going to do a straight-to-the-point unboxing, highlighting its main features, sharing my first impressions, and why I chose to buy the Mini 4 Pro with the combo Fly More. The first sensation holding the box is as if unboxing a mini Tesla with wings. This version brings lots of impressive upgrades over its predecessor Mini 3 Pro, which will be explored in detail further. Once the specially designed shoulder bag is open, the drone, the RC2 controller, and the two-way charging hub can be removed outside. The drone is then removed from its plastic packaging and now comes with special propeller protectors and a redesigned gimbal protector, which keep it safe during transport. The pack I chose includes the RC2 controller, which has the built-in LED screen. This allows me to keep my smartphone free, once the RCN2 version requires to use your phone as display. The RC2 display size is bigger than an iPhone, and on the back, there are C1 and C2 buttons for functions that can be customized. The controller sticks are undocked and attached to the joysticks. The enhanced transmission antennas can also be opened for better connectivity. The combo smart recharger is then removed from its plastic packaging. This version allows recharge 3 smart batteries at once, making it super convenient when long flight duration is needed and you don't have time for waiting recharging. The propeller guards are removed and the arms can be unfolded. The gimbal guard and the protective adhesives are also removed. The Mini 4 Pro features 360 degrees of obstacle avoidance with 2 sensors at the front, a gimbal that can rotate for horizontal or vertical shots, 2 sensors at the back, and 2 sensors underneath. The smart battery that offers extended 45 minutes flight duration, and at the back, there are USB-C charger and SD card slot. Manuals, extra propellers, a screwdriver, and a USB-C charger are also included in the bag. I also added the ND lens filters in this kit, because these are highly recommended due to the fixed aperture of the camera as they help correct overexposure light in bright conditions. The default lens cover, which is just a ring, is replaced with an ND filter. The original ND filter kit contains 3 filters, ND16, ND64, and ND128, and can be easily installed. It's recommended also add fast SD card, class V3, to support a minimum of 30 megabytes per second data speed, necessary for 4K recordings. Moving on to the technical specs, the Mini 4 Pro is slightly faster in normal mode with the sensors on, and its vertical and horizontal speeds have improved. The 04 transmission system also provides an impressive range up to 20 kilometers and a very strong low-latency connection, which gives you peace of mind to stay in control all the time. But if the connection with drone is lost, the auto return home is activated and you have it back home or until you get the radio control back. The camera is one of the standout features. It can rotate to shoot true vertical video, capture high-quality 4K videos, and take 48 megapixels still images and a very sensible sensor for night images. With new video profiles like HLG and D-Log, you get better color and dynamic range, making your videos look more professional. The active track system has also been improved. This system now includes a touch trace feature that allows for better control over the drone's movements. It can recognize and follow various subjects, including people, cars, and boats, with improved accuracy and responsiveness. The new flight modes, waypoints, and cruise control offer even more flexibility. Waypoints allow the setup of complex flight paths that can be repeated, while cruise control lets the drone fly in one direction without manual control, making the flying experience smoother and more enjoyable. I chose the DJI Mini 4 Pro because its feature enhances the flying experience and make it easier and safer for me as beginner pilot. From the upgraded 360 degrees obstacle avoidance sensors, auto return to home, and 20 km transmission to the improved camera, long duration batteries, flight modes compacted in a small portable size. This is an amazing drone packed with advanced technology, making it a fantastic upgrade from the Mini 3 Pro. But what do you think about this drone? Do you already have yours or wish to have one? Drop a comment below. We had a huge work making this video, so if it was informative or entertaining to you, we are thankful with your like. We will be adding more videos soon, so if you subscribe, you will not lose the new updates on the DJI drones and other amazing technologies. Now, if you want to see my first experience with a cheap E99 drone, click on this video on your screen. Thanks for watching and happy flying.